GJ or GO8. Over here is Wisconsin. Over there is Michigan. I always want to dive this bridge. I heard there's some cool stuff down here. We're going to try to find it. We should do a double pass. Let's say kind of like 10 feet apart, so you can kind of search a little bit. That was quite dull. That was a workout. Just hauled this motorbike here from way over the other side of the bridge onto the water over here. That's a lot of work. Whew. Anchor. Look at that. Woo! Nice. Lever action. Wow, found it. Yeah. Lever action. Hit the center of the bridge, about 40, 50 feet out.
Wrapped in plastic too.
I don't tell the cops.
Yep. My dive instructor told me there was a gun down there. Found it. I'm gonna tell the cops now. You found it, bud? Woo! Yeah! Alright, I'm gonna call the sheriff's department. This is Boundary Waters. Michigan's over here, Wisconsin, but I'm gonna call my local sheriff's department, Marinette County. Hello? Hey, my name is Ed Bieber, or Ed the Diver. Me and my buddy Kyle are diving JJ G08, and we found a lever action rifle wrapped up in I think plastic and electrical tape. We had heard that there was a gun thrown in the river here years back, and a dive team tried to find it. They didn't find it, but we just found it. I think it's the one. It was right in the center of the river, so I don't know what jurisdiction that would be in, but it might have been part of a crime years back.
Okay, hang on just a minute. I'm gonna let my officer know, okay?
Alright.
So you don't know if you're on the Michigan or the Wisconsin side right now?
Oh, I'm on the Wisconsin side, but I found her right in the center of the river,
okay.
So
Sure.
you guys can fight over it.
No, we don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Hang on just a second.
Yeah. Excited.
Okay.
I have a business called Bieber's Underwater Recovery and a lot of social media, Ed the Diver.
Yep. Okay, I'm familiar. Okay. I just need the information for my call, that's all.
Okay.
Well, I do have an officer named Kale. Let me just
Alright.
Okay, and you can just hang out there until she gets there?
You'll be here.
Okay.
Alright. Thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, goodbye.
Bye.
Alright guys, finally did it. First time ever, found a real GUN. Check this out. A lever action wrapped in electrical tape, plastic. Me and my buddy Kyle, we were diving out here on a JJ G08 on this bridge over here. And right about the center, right about down here, found that. And funny thing is, I had heard about someone ditching a gun in here from my dive instructor, and we thought we'd just come try it out and try to find it. But we got some other cool stuff too. Got an anchor, got a pretty old bottle here, another bottle, just random stuff. Got this motorized bicycle here, got this scale, some kind of scale. This here, some kind of mower blade. Kyle got some stuff over here. Kyle, I think this is still full. Fun dive, definitely memorable. Cops are on the way. All right, still waiting for the police. It's been about at least a half hour. Kyle's all wrapped up because the bugs are getting to him. And I want to change out of this wetsuit, but kind of want a picture of the police officer, so I'm gonna have to wait. They're coming someday. Finally here, man.